What's up, everybody? Randy Nelson here with Chieftain Forge. Getting ready to head out to an awesome place called Curry's Antiques here in Ohio. And I'm running late, so let's get going. We made it to Curry's out here in Carroll, Ohio, outside of Lancaster. And we got Scott working on firing up the forge. We're going to do some forging today on a traditional coal forge. And her property here, as you can see behind me, is absolutely gorgeous. She has 6 or 7 cabins and buildings, all dating from 1770 to 1830 New England. She had them brought here, rebuilt, and tons of antiques. Check out currysantiques.com. Show you some things we got for sale here today, and then whatever we're going to be making. Couple of the items, got some wreath hangers there and a dinner triangle, a few different style hooks, old treble clef hook I made. Here's some really nice spade hooks that Scott made with a twist. A little leaf keychain. And one of my favorite pieces of his is this razor. Got done at Curry's, had an awesome day. Came here, picked up the boy, dropped my stuff off at my forge at home. Thanks so much. Next event we have is June 29th. Come check it out at Curry's Antiques. We'll be there. And yeah, we hope to see you then. You can say hi?
Hi!
Alright, everybody, thanks for watching.
Long cure this disease, yeah.